Now, without wasting your time, let's start right away. Whether it's spam, trolling, or just a comment you'd rather not have, you want to open the Instagram app on your phone, and then go over to your Instagram profile page. We have to open our Instagram story on which we want to remove the specific comment. So just tap on your profile picture in order to open and find the story which you need to. Here it is for me, and I have only one comment as an example. But your story may have many comments. We will swipe from the bottom to the top in order to open the story viewers section. But at the very top, you're gonna see all of the different comments which people left on your Instagram story. So here is the comment which I want to remove. And I'll tap on the three dots right here, which will open another menu with some options. You can report this comment if it's inappropriate or similar. But let's click on this delete comment option right here, and that comment will be removed from our Instagram story. You can repeat this with other comments which you want to remove,